Hi everyone, so today I'm making a chicken stew, and I'm calling it a stew because I'm not putting too many curry spices in it. So that's my pot there. What I did was I braised an onion. If you have a big onion, you can use half an onion. And then I cut up 1 inch of ginger, a big clove of garlic. I braised that, and then I put in a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of parsley, and I added in 2 sprigs of basil. And I braised all of that, and then I put in chicken breasts. I cut them up. I put in that and 1 potato cut up. Then I just let it cook for a while, and I added in my tomatoes. Now I'm making some rice. So this is the chicken here. That's cooking. And then my rice. Because I was out today, I didn't have lunch. So this is my main meal. I had breakfast, then I went for my appointment. That was supposed to be at 1:45, but my doctor was delayed. So by the time he took me in, it was 30 minutes late. So it was around 1:15. And then I had to go to the pharmacy, wait for my medicine. Then I came home. And then I applied for jobs, and now I'm cooking my meal. So that's the day done for today. It's already the end of August. I'm hoping September, my birthday month, is going to bring me good news for a good paid job. So that's where I'm at. But I'll enjoy my supper tonight. I am quite hungry, and I can feel the medication working already. So that's a good thing. Supposed to take it 4 times a day. So he told me try to take 3 doses by end of day today. So I took 2 already. And then now I'm going to take 1, and then I have to take the other tablet for my kidney before I go to sleep. See, all of this was entirely preventable. Entirely. Well, not this thing. This is a part of the menopause. When you get menopause, you get all this acne and all that, and this will go down. I'm confident it will. The pharmacist was also confident. He said, don't worry, don't press it, don't touch it. If you press it and touch it, the infection will spread more. So I'm just going to leave it. It's burst now and the pus came out, so it's good enough.